Our next speaker would be speaking on how, or begging the question, will AI replace marketers? Will AI replace marketers? Our next speaker holds a bachelor's and a master's degree in agriculture, sorry, architecture. Architecture, and now she's in tech and artificial intelligence sector. She excels as a product marketing manager and is known for her passion for people, businesses, design, and community. She has won numerous design competitions and has worked for Africa's largest fintechs. Outside work, Deola enjoys Formula One, tennis, and embodying a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. Please put your hands together as a welcome to the stage, Deola Oderinde. Please put your hands together for her.
Thank you very much, Shalom. I didn't even know I had all of that. Interesting. Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Deola, Product Marketing Manager at Davu AI. At Davu, we build artificial intelligence products for businesses. We help businesses seamlessly integrate AI into their existing processes to enhance customer experience, improve business operations, and all of those good stuff AI does, you know what I mean. And today, I'm just going to be debunking one myth. Will AI replace marketers? How many marketers are here? Content marketing, product marketing, brand marketing, content creators, influencers. I can see my crew. Hi. So first, if you check your phone right now, and I'm talking everybody, if you do will AI on your Google or any browser you're using, you guys have asked AI 1,000 questions. Will AI replace my job? Will AI replace me? Will AI take my job? Will AI take over the world? And all of those questions. I understand your concern, but let's relax. Calm down, right? So AI is a tool, just like your Google Suite, your Microsoft, and all of those. It's a tool. And as humans, you cannot take away the place of human ability, your strategic thinking, your critical thinking, intuition, empathy, and all of those things. That's how humans stand out. So AI is not coming to take your job by doing anything. AI is just AI. There's no AI without human intelligence. Yes. AI, ML engineers that are here, I'm sorry, but there is no artificial intelligence without human intelligence, right? AI is a tool. It's only a tool to make your work better. It's only a tool to improve your work, improve your productivity, and just make life easier for you. Like I said earlier, you cannot overemphasize the impact of human empathy, cognitive, emotional intelligence, very important in creating products and marketing products for people. As marketers, we do a lot of talking, we do a lot of thinking, we do a lot of strategic thinking, and we use a lot of AI. I personally use a lot of AI. I figure that AI just helps my work. It makes it easier. There was one time that marketers were getting dragged on Twitter, and they were saying a very popular US YC combinator person, he was saying Nigerians, you can tell a Nigerian application from using words like unlock, unleash. But is it our fault that those are words that we grew up listening to? No, I mean, a Nigerian parent will use perambulate in a normal English sentence. I mean, you can't fault us for that, right? And also, lastly, understanding complex human behavior can't be done by AI. It's a human intelligence thing. Moving on, I want us to see AI as a marketing partner. Okay, will AI replace market? I'm a marketing professional. That's why I'm going to be delving towards the marketing side of things. But I think everyone can pick one or two things from this topic. I want us to see AI as a marketing partner, as a partner, more of a partnership than a competition. AI is not taking your job. That's just what it is. If you look at LinkedIn, HubSpot, MailChimp, your CRM tools, Centric, even press release tools, they are now incorporating AI into their product. If you check LinkedIn, you can create a post with AI directly, true or false. And that's exactly what it is. Okay, like I said earlier, it should be viewed as a partner and not a competitor. And if you find out that when humans work, they have good results. When AI work, it's also a good result. But when human and AI comes together, mind-blowing, profound. You get what I mean? Like I said, teamwork always makes the dream work. Human, AI, fantastic. So as a marketing professional, as a marketing person, these are the ways you can use AI. When I entered, the panelists were talking about, the product marketing person on the panel were talking about AI and, the human AI collaboration. I'm just going to say a few things you can use. You can use AI to optimize your ads. You can use it for content inspiration, to write, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude AI. Thousands of AI applications that you do not even know that you should definitely, get on board with. You can use it to scale your alpha beta testing, translate your campaign, and even build intelligent chatbots. All those chatbots that are on product now, that's definitely an aspect of AI. So one way or the other, products are already getting into the AI space. So I just need you to be convenient in it. I use AI to write. I use AI to do this. AI helps me. It's something to be proud of, right? Nothing to even be ashamed of at all. Okay, and then the future of marketing is a human AI collaboration. Like, it's not going to be not this. It is definitely this. So how as humans, as marketers, how do you tap into this future? Continuous learning, relearning, unlearning, getting into the space that AI is here. Let me tell you, it is here to stay. So you just need to tap into it and get comfortable in the fact that AI is here, but it's not coming to take your job. Just get into it, like get familiar with it and let it work for you. That's what it is. Don't be too mindful. You get what I mean? Yes, don't be too mindful. Yes, human creativity, intuition, it always brings about continuous opportunities for innovation and growth, imbibing AI into your work. So I've said a lot of things. I've debunked the myth. I've given you how you can collaborate with AI. I've told you how AI and marketers, AI and human is a fantastic collaboration in the future of marketing. So what next? The time to embrace AI is now, right? If you haven't done that, it's never too late. You can get into it right now. Explore AI tools. There are several AI tools. There are popular ones. There is Centric. Centric is an AI tool for businesses, right? Invest in your learning, unlearning, and your relearning. Like, cultivate the habit of just knowing things. I was just like randomly searching through the internet one day, and I found out that I could draft a press release. Marketers know what this is, and maybe like any person building a product, or you get what I mean? And I figured that AI could actually draft a press release for me. I just needed to give it my prompt. I gave it the draft of the draft of the draft. If you know what a draft of the draft of the draft is, like the roughest form of draft. And it came up with a substantial press release for me, and I was like, oh, wow. I mean, I'm never not going to use AI, damn. Okay? And then also build strong partnerships. Position yourself at the forefront of there's a shout out to Gen Z techies and CodeSpace for this beautiful event. Even LinkedIn. People say everybody is thrilled on LinkedIn. Hello, I'm thrilled to be whatever it is that I'm doing. So it's nothing to be ashamed of. You can shoot your shot directly at bosses. You can shoot your shot directly at professionals. I'm a marketer, so I can shoot my shot directly as a founder or a company that even wants to, they don't even have to need a marketer. They just want to know you. I want to get something from you. It's called networking. So it doesn't even have to be, the networking doesn't even have to be something you are benefiting from. I just want to share my ideas. I just want to talk to you about this. So you can obviously shoot your job shot. You can shoot your networking shot. You can shoot your business shot. You can just be out there. Just put yourself there. Don't mind anybody. And then using the power of AI to create extraordinary marketing campaigns. My marketers, content creators, AI is not the enemy, right? AI is your paddy, AI is your friend, AI is your guy, literally your go-to guy. You can just have something like off the top of your head, draft, like rough, and you just type it in and AI just brings up something and you just become productive automatically, right? It saves time, it makes you productive, and it increases your ability to do fantastic work. So, back to my initial question, will AI replace marketers? No, but it will change the game, right? And how will it change the game? The person using AI will replace you that you are not using AI. That's just what it is. So what will you do? Get into the AI space. Thank you very much.